Hello, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. If you're part of a maintenance or operations team, this video is for you. Today we're going to explore the transformative power of preventive maintenance checklists for fleet management. We'll be looking at the types of tasks and schedules that could supercharge your preventive maintenance program. You'll learn how to formulate your fleet management checklist, consider key factors, and we'll even share 6 tips to align your checklist with best practices, all for the aim of keeping your fleet running smoothly and saving you valuable time, labor, and money. Now, let's dive into the world of fleet management. Strong preventive maintenance programs ensure that teams complete work orders efficiently without extra cost. Imagine a checklist filled with tasks like changing engine oil and filters, inspecting tires, checking fluid levels, and ensuring that all lights and horns are working perfectly. These are just glimpses of what a robust preventive maintenance checklist covers. Let's talk about the different types of fleet maintenance. For instance, delivery companies with trucks that idle and drive at low speeds might base their maintenance on engine hours rather than mileage. On the other hand, service companies like those operating police vehicles or taxis, which experience extensive city driving, may need more frequent checks on braking systems due to higher wear and tear. But it's not just about listing tasks. Effective fleet management involves empowering drivers to report issues they observe, which aren't part of the regular preventive maintenance schedule. This proactive approach can significantly reduce the likelihood of breakdowns and lower maintenance costs. When constructing your fleet management checklist, consider several key factors. Define your maintenance goals. Are you looking to cut costs, improve reliability, or both? Understand the causes of fleet vehicle downtime to better plan tasks that prevent unexpected repairs. Consider the types of vehicles in your fleet, as their maintenance needs can vary dramatically. Keep in mind federal and state regulations that dictate certain maintenance standards. Think about the skills required to perform each task. Some might need specialized professionals. Determine the frequency of each task to avoid over or under maintaining your vehicles. Now let's jump into 6 tips for creating a preventive maintenance checklist that aligns with best practices. 1. Include all vehicle components in your checklist. Don't miss any part that might cause future breakdowns. 2. Separate necessary tasks from the unnecessary to optimize your resources. 3. Clearly define who will perform each task, whether it's your drivers or needs professional attention. 4. Organize vehicle tasks by type and frequency to ensure nothing gets overlooked. 5. Create a checklist for pre-service inspections to catch any issues with new or used vehicles before they hit the road. 6. Be clear yet concise with task descriptions to ensure they are easy to understand and follow. In conclusion, while many items are common in fleet management checklists, the best preventive maintenance checklists are the ones tailored to your specific needs and operations. By following these best practices and listening to your drivers, you can create a preventive maintenance program that keeps your fleet running smoothly and reliably. Remember, a well-maintained fleet is the backbone of any successful fleet management operation, so take the time to craft a checklist that truly fits your needs. Thank you for watching this video. We've explored the importance of preventive maintenance checklists, how to formulate them, and shared 6 tips to align your checklist with best practices. If you found this content valuable, please subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. For more information about our solutions, visit upkeep.com. Remember, a well-maintained fleet is the backbone of any successful operation. Make sure yours is up to the challenge.